Obaya, we want for too much.
Thank you too much.
There be I want for no one. Aboroso, abusan for me boa. Ne want for dodo. Wo hwe ne hwene. Na wo hwe n'ani. Na wo hwe n'ani mu dua. Na wo san be hwe na no kra ka ho asmo ma afna. Na wo hwe obaya skin papa bi. Na wo hwe obaya voice. Na wo obaya. Adentina Yakopa my voices the dead desrum say na you say Ghana Black Stars and I am Fankayo Adentia Obaya that's right
Eti for me chiamwa ebi a wo hwe me free bia
I was afọ bronco a
me chiamo
nyame show
enumre experiences in life also and I away na se mo hu ha anya bibia se e Ghana Black Stars
correct
season way a season in say a football season anything no anya say my man say Black Star nko ana e pese dey kai me na mum no anytime you pop Black Star no e san say ma di akira akira nti say me da hokra na atwetwe me I say sorry na koye bibi this year kra de say I mean, maybe a free buy.
Wow.
Because one is the crab bar. If you phone us, your man, your beam, and independent. And I didn't know no woman.
You can't do it.
And then your meaning, they do near dear. Macassa so no was sick. And say, oh, ha, a blaster and support.
Obaya, Yamisha, when you are a chief in fact, more boy, Juma. Juma na Ghana hana etoda na say ye best support ye ho ye na nka sabe die ofrudua pade nka ye piano in fact wo se abasobode asurunku bi a esese Ghana ha ye de mawa ewiase nyina ebi ensida esanse wo ye oh my Ghana wa ye bi ama Black Stars kire say ye ti nwom na just a time on it, but so be yes, what buy our your mobile one body. It's not as a Yakupon, penny for what he never candy bow how.
Mama di mama.
Yeah.
Mama di mama.
That candy back and away papa will have on what's the stand chain. Oh, Yamisha. Now, Pomacho Yamisha, what's it? Oba. A man no for too much. A man so dear. Abrofo. A man for more. Nemo man dear. What have been just some quarter or do. Then the shame will cry. Say this year. Memma could one at could draw for now only more into one more Ghana.
I'm saying, to one casano. Say, Obia, what follow me pano. Me buy no. I'm said the type of music nana me no. Entina me me man and
okay.
And I'm back in and now sha. I'm about India.
Yeah.
With the America.
Yeah.
Omuda man over 25 years ago. Many one and it started
25 years ago.
Yeah. It's okay because and
is it because makoye emema nakoye bebrewum and I said because enne emma agudie and America say memma ni bi agudie kura no yentimi eni nchebe 1 year 2 years kura wow
and so we dey many omonanti acheye omaba ti se memma
sua
me fie bedane ade tiananti ache and through that me what Ghana Citizen Supporters Union of Ghana.
Okay.
Yadoso pa. Na am say ensuo no. Ena ade we no yan sheda anya ne say ye sheda aye ena un say ba impromptu. Aha. Enkra no ebi mu fifiri koforo bia ne akoso mbo. Ohwe tama omode abe wesia ne emema yo mgu achiro cha say omo wa ho fama sa ebase wo mu do nipa sa ebase Ghana eniema eto da bi okra me ni wo mo atimi organize on our behalf. Enti in fact me de memma na ntie de eye me fe eye me de sanse me ni memma na mitimi okro mitimi no matter send your motie mitimi ba form ene omo ye pe aya ma emma no wo me pese me ko me experience e wo ma memma na side de
unu bi pe
omo na mo just o we say me ni jempi ena ma rasante o chiro no me ni omo nyina enam just me de me ni memma na nam o hwe me maya me ni omo nam for long time American ya
25 years
Simon Clement or say omo nyina enti ama supporters union of Ghana me say me fa say a citizen no e memma no mo nyina so adana te say memma ene me nua memma mo enti o ka bibia omo ho kwan ko a odo ombeyi e de a chewo no obi a hesitate won say nsu toy ene ade
ye yira fa be
enso omo seda say baby na nka ese ye no na nsu nti esesa ye nso omo nya adaje nti honestly me experience working with men and I say memma me ni omo na ma me okay pa me okay you know my jimmy to omo amfa me saa because I told her I am having but still mama
ayo asemo say that perform bebre e ka say ofa emema enamfo a e problem why is it because say anamfo no ye ngi ye hundi ana ase de yi
memma ayo ko fanye e depend de bia me obema adamfo a o chen me ana e bi kro ni me ye a group
okay
normally no obi a mo se bia me na nam bia no otimi fa me maame e ma ne yeye otimi fa me sister e ma ne yeye sa me ma type no e na person oni omo nantia real life the man because omo se ne sister pe obenya dosun ko de ama ohu se ne maame a obenya dosun ko de ama but my toda there was some kind of pride be jealousy disrespect be any anwoye nketenketi be oh obema wata de na che no t-shirt so nso she bia what I say on a makeup on a me ga me she no kro hu say stress because we na me she na me say fa no kro no
na ya mo ma ni bidiade e fa ye kan oba ya wo to wo sesi skin color wo color papa bia wo disi wo hwe wani hwe wo richa say wo fa nkasa ye no bi enye ema ni nyina ye no ade e fe eye ye mfe ye kan eti ate bi no
you real love anya say me ka say e just mini ema ayonkofo ana but edidem
bako ya
edidem because em say nana kwom me kakra me type bibi betimi asi me nkofo go out there mun nsema ni edem pa ba metimi accept ayiko wasa issue aba sa me mpesa me no ntem say ya o me ade ya metimi ayedin na me hwe
wow
na ma relax am deny akwa and when you say me no pay back to back ye na ye hu yen say stand am I can't face it what you say nti ade na che na no e bia mo na ma na ade ya la so ye de enye kra o satan no abufu ni ho satan no bo se owo o nipadua no nti no nipa ne ka ena grounds na all canon no modern komodie nti no obe accept ne so fine
say wow and one sorry says adie we na be ya we ni anje here we dey cafe next time we bin see bi so Ghana fo mu bi no me pa cho ka no ayeye din ayetem bi aye amatem bi nti ntena ba bi fa ko enche yetsena ba bi kakra na ni pedi agro kakra bi a tema problems aba oba ya nyankopon onsha ye nyina yenim say grace ashi eye nyumtuni a gospel ena nyamenyom ena koto ye hu ya ne say divert e di akwakodi Ghana pastors such as say di bebia eno de ne she unkwan de ne bai
and na na you so be say divert me divert here
okay
me come home me de ka ho because gospel no me da ho.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Na momo no me de kan ho. It took him 5 years time. And a blaster echo omo maiden World Cup.
Okay.
Enti my son blaster for 20 years.
Okay.
My di blaster for 20 years.